Hey, Dr. Emer, you're live.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer. We're here with Jose, and we are doing another tattoo removal with our Tattoo Star from ASTANZA, one of my favorite devices for tattoo removal. Pigmentation has so many different hand pieces, actually a fractional ruby device that treats melasma and pigmentation in sunspots that we've never seen before. We're gonna do two passes. I'm gonna show you guys something unique. This is our fast acting YAG. This is our quick pulse, and you guys can see how fast it's responding and the gases that are developing. This is not skin damage. Remember, tattoo removal is based upon breaking apart particles. And when you break apart those particles, gases are released in the skin and you get this whitish discoloration. We want those gases to disperse so that we could do another pass of a more superficial laser called a ruby laser. This is getting the deeper ink. The ruby laser is gonna get the more superficial ink. And the reason I love that about the Tattoo Star is you're literally hitting it at every level, which is why only in 2 treatments we've gotten about a 40% reduction. And we're gonna be able to get much more after this session. But you see in this 10 hertz, look how fast this is, you guys. I did that already. I'll just do the edge here a second real quick. I did that already in about 30 seconds. Now, let me show you guys something here. Look at these, innovative optic goggles. Look right here, innovative optic goggles. You guys see the Instagram. Fully covering his eyes 360 degrees. Here's what I love. We're now gonna do one of the newer technologies for laser tattoo removal. This is called the Describe PFD patch. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this chemical. This chemical is gonna make that frost go down. You guys know, remember that frost is not skin burning. This is just a gas. The gas needs to disperse. In the old days, we used to do something where we would wait about 10 to 30 minutes and do it 3 or 4 times in one sitting. It would take hours to treat a full tattoo. But here, we're gonna be able to, in minutes, get this gas to disperse.
Which Emer skin products would you use post-tattoo removal?
Honestly, there's a lot here. I would use Refit Face because of the peptides. I would use my botanical serum to calm the skin down and soothe. I would use AOXY and Hyla B to regenerate the skin barrier and prevent pigmentation. I would even start High Spot right away for healing. Now, right when the skin sort of peels or there's any scabs that come off or the frosting and the discoloration is gone, I would then add in Hyla A to even out the texture and tone because that's our retinol and our hyaluronic acid. You can actually use the AOXY pads when there's a little bit of scabbing to help the scabbing come off, and enzymatic polish would be a great cleanser. So I think we've gotten enough cover here of all the gas. Okay.
We got sun protection with Fusion Shield.
Yep, you can put Fusion Shield on to protect it from the sun. Emer Skin is everything you need. Once it all peels, you can even do the illuminating mask weekly to kind of lift up some of the pigmentation. So now we covered it with the gases. You guys see most of that whitening is gone, and you can now see the pigment again. So what we're gonna do is grab the Describe patch. You guys see that here. It's our translucent patch, and you're gonna switch me the handpiece. So we're gonna stop this real quick. We're gonna switch the handpiece right now. The key, you guys, the ruby. We're gonna go to the ruby. Very few doctors have this. Ruby lasers are expensive. They're difficult to maintain. That's telling you switch your goggles to your teal. Good. So now that we have our ruby set up, this is gonna be a little bit different. This is not as fast pulsing. Ruby lasers are more single or double pulse. So we're gonna go real slow. We're gonna
join the camera filter.
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys can see. A little stronger. Hold on. So rubies are a little bit slower, but they're more powerful. They're more on the surface, you guys. So when we're working on this, you're gonna get more of the surface pigmentation. Now this wouldn't be good though if you're darker skin, because this is gonna be more attracted to melanin. So dark skin could get white in their skin, or what we call a ghosting effect. So you gotta be really careful about who you use this ruby on. But what this patch allows us to do is to do more than one treatment, one pass in a single session. Okay, at different levels. Okay. What are they saying?
I don't have my seeing
Why did
glasses
they have
on.
a shirt on? Whole point was to not have a shirt. That's why I said I didn't have a tank. You guys. Okay. So you guys see we're working real slow, making sure we hit every level on this ruby. Good. I'll show you guys a really cool, when you look at it up close, you can see that those white spots and squares. We're now going to switch ourselves over with our patch to the next level. It's a little bit slower, it should be a little less painful.
A lot less painful.
Yeah, because it's not going as fast. So the other one's like hitting you 10 times in one spot. This is 1 time in one spot, but it's more powerful at the surface.
It's very variable.
And this is just with topical. You can do nerve blocks to make it less painful for those that have, like, you know, the feet or certain areas around the ribs or larger tattoos that require multiple wavelengths. He will show you the course of the healing, at least day 1, 3, 7, and 10. It's really important that he talks about that with skincare products as well. So we're going to expect that he does that because you guys all want to learn. Just takes a little longer. So having a little patience is important. Just going to do a couple here without it. But these innovative optic goggles, you guys, are phenomenal. And you gotta get them. The world's best in goggle production, innovative optics. Rubies are pretty amazing for different teal colors as well. All black and even green, which are real hard to remove typically. And the one thing about this laser, you guys, is it is the quickest in healing I've ever seen. Risk of blistering really low, and it's just very targeted. You see an amazing outcome very quickly. So this is exactly how it should look afterwards, with some of those blood spots in there, a little bit of that elevation. We're gonna put our Emer skin products on now, and he's gonna heal. And we will follow how his healing is over the next few weeks. Bye, guys.